No ramen, no life.
Yes, of course, no ramen, no life. Yes.
Those are words to live by. In Kyoto, Japan, we spent the afternoon learning how to make ramen from scratch at the Ramen Factory with our instructor Kazuki. Ramen originated in China but is considered a national dish of Japan, with nearly every region having its own variety. With such a rich history, making this popular dish might be intimidating, but Kazuki immediately put us all at ease.
You don't need to experience making cooking ramen or any food. Yeah. Every beginner is fine.
First things first, we were given the traditional headbands to put on, then we were ready to begin. Our protein was chicken. We started by tying it together to prepare it for cooking. Next, we made teriyaki sauce, water, soy sauce, sugar, then added it to the chicken and let it simmer. Then came the dough, sifting flour, kneading, pushing, and punching. One of the best ways to get out a little aggression.
Punch. Okay, nice. Oh.
Rolling out the dough was a little challenging until a new friend stepped in to help.
Through ramen, we can communicate with each other, and I can tell you how fun to make ramen, and how deep to make ramen. So I really enjoy making ramen.
Then it was time for the ramen machine. First flattening the dough, then cutting it into long, thin noodles. The chicken was brought back to the table so we could remove the ties, slice it, and yes, use a torch to caramelize it for aroma, texture, and flavor. For broth, we had choices, seafood or chicken. We went with all three, one combo, one seafood, and one chicken. We added miso and soy, let the broth simmer, and learned about the toppings: egg, green onions, spicy toppings, and fish cakes. Our noodles boiled for just 50 seconds because they were made from scratch. Then into the bowl, broth on top, and toppings, including the boiled egg and oils, garlic, green onion, and chili. Everly had the first bite, and by the looks of things, she approved. We ended the experience with our official ramen certification, a photo, the recipe to take home, and a souvenir to remember it all. The afternoon wasn't just a memorable experience for us, but for Kazuki as well.
I also had a great time because you have listened very calmly, so I can talk about everything of ramen in this 90 minutes. It has a great time for me too.
Then it was time to say our goodbyes and remind ourselves of the one phrase that we will not soon forget. Kazuki, you're fantastic. Ramen Factory, Kyoto, Japan. Make sure you pay a visit. Ramen makes people better, brings people together, and no ramen, no life.
Yes, no ramen, no life. All people all over the world come here.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you so much.